Division of a whole number and a decimal. Now, as you can see that the decimal is in the second position, which is the divisor. So since you have the decimal here, you have to change this to a whole number. And whatever you do to that one, you do to this one. Yes? So I'm going to multiply this 0.5 by what? By 10 to make it a whole number. Why 10? Because we have to shift the point how many times? Once. Once to make it a whole number. And the whole number will be 5. Now, since I multiply this by 10, I have to multiply that by 10 also. So you have 55. 55 multiplied by 10 is 550. You add what? A 0. You add a 0 to that. So it is 550 divided by 5. Okay? So 5 into that, 5 into 550. 5 into 5, 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtract that, 0. 5 into 5 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtract that. Yes? Of course, you bring down that 5. You bring down that 5. And 5 into 5 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. So, you subtract that, that's 0. Right? Bring down the 0. 5 into 0 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. Okay, so it's 110. 110, that's your answer. So remember that when you divide in decimals and you have a decimal in the second position or in the divisor, you change that to a whole number. Whatever you do to that, you do to the first one here, which is the dividend, in order for you to get, of course, your answer, which is the quotient.